kay Lane Margaret gift.
Welcome back to the vlog! Eto, batak ko val batak. Anyway guys, wala kaming pasok. We're just doing our project.
Isang wala kayo sa Friday. Sabi siya baboy.
Ning 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 ning. Ning 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 ning. Hello po! Ano yan? Walaan yung ano. Jesus! So bawal to. Kaso berry. Sige mo bawal. Ang gamay ako! Okay yun.
Ano ba yan? Establish mo ba yan?
Ang sarap, ang sarap. What flavor is this? Coffee? Hindi ko alam.
Magkano yung ganun? Mas maganda ba ito kaya sa sisako?
I like that.
Sobrang ano niya yung...
Diba? I like that. We have 6 plates to pass, 2 presentations, and then 2 written exams all in 1 week. Last semester we had 10 plates in 1 week, so this one 10 tasks, but my presentation tsaka written exam. So we have a marketing plan that's on Thursday. Today I have 1 plate that will be crossed off my list. It's the material split. We're gonna have a photo shoot later. We also have a presentation this 10 a.m. It's currently 8:40. Yeah, I have to go to school by 9 because magpa-practice kami. Tapos, I can't wait for this day to finish. So that means I'm gonna cross out 2 out of the 10. Here's my plate. So dadalhin ko yan siya sa school. We're gonna do our skincare. Oh my god, I look so bad. This is the reality. Ang init! Nako naman talaga. A lot of people are curious about my skincare lately. I've been using Skin 1004. Okay, so here's my final look for today. Look good to feel good, kahit stress na. So we're gonna go now. I was shooting a podcast for Tomcat, and then I've learned there that always bring a lip gloss with you in your pocket, because you have to look good to feel good. Also, ang dami natin dadalhin, like that whole thing. I need to pack a shirt too. Wait, mamaya na. Shoot ko muna. Okay. Tapos na ako mag-shoot. Let's G na guys. Sasabak na tayo sa Giera. Day 1 of the Giera. So, wait. Ipaplano muna natin paano natin dadalhin ang ating mga gamit. So, ang ating dadalhin ay... Feel ko masisira to. This is my mask, guys. Ang pangit. I know. Don't judge a book. This is gonna be so embarrassing to go down. Like, legit na sa elevator gag. Oh my god! Ang pa! Makikita ng lahat. Can't wait to throw this away. Kaki! Maglalakad ako sa Espanya nakaganto, guys. Hey, friends! Whoa.
Ayos, nagtulog.
We're in the classroom. Girl, so, may presentation kami. Whoa! Woy, bata. Nahiya naman yung akin pala. Anyway, yung mga ganyan, wala na tayong laban sa mga ganyan. Guys! Oh, go! Magandang umaga. Iyong cringe! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako si Sofia Binoya. Ako si Jeff Boyser. Ako naman si Janelle Osorio. At ito ang aming napiling study dahil pag-aaral, artikulo. Ito ang aming napiling artikulo dahil tumatalakay ito sa pagiging mabisa ng isang creative advertisement sa mga tao na nagre-resulta kung bakit madali nila itong matandaan.
Oy!
Game. Pagod. This is a day in a life as a fine art student. Yung iba naming classmates, mamaw. Ma-freaking mau. Ma-freaking mau.
Parang nawawa ka, baka mamaya masira yung pakpak mo.
Pero ito talaga. Pakpak. No!
Why?
Are you
The wings are
Guys, nakaka-insecure dito. Nadi-demotivate na kami. Gagawin ko naman. Pwede bang sa palit na tas photo, tas pwede bang sa CR na lang tayo mag-photo. Like, as in, babatak ka. Ayun talaga, magaling ka. Like, as in, parang pakita namin kay Jerome. Siya yung standard. Oh, and he's crazy. He's Mitchie. Madali lang siyang magdikit sa ano. Paano ba? Nasilaw ka sa kagandahan. Gift pag ako lumipad. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that shining. Boy. Impa. Sir, gusto mo try? O, game na. Palit na tayo. Para baka, girl, yung dignidad, we gotta swallow it for approximately 5 minutes. Yo!
Ang init eh. Wala pa akong mas nainitan na ako.
Hey friends, this is Jess. Welcome back to my vlog. Teacher and Sid Cyril, Yappy Donkey, and Nelly. So we are all like this. This is our final. Ano to? One. Sana naiintindihan nyo na lang.
Ano? Final.
For 1 semester, ito lang yung ginawa.
Ay!
Boom!
Ah!
Ano po to?
Yung to.
Batak. Gago. Paano ko pinulo? Ang labot ng kaya.
Group so, kayo lahat. Picture mo nga kayo.
Baka kakainin ako ng yabi.
What about photographer natin dyan, bro?
Uy, ano kang rin, brother?
Sony A7 II.
Oh.
A7R pala ito.
Hey friends, so tapos na kami.
Uy!
Tanga, para kong Jolo. JJ mo. Yo! Ano yung kanta na yan? Guess what? You know last night. Yo, it was the best. I met a pretty girly na taga-IS. Meron siyang mga kasama. 4 to make it sure. Among the 4. Kay Ana. Ako nakatingin. Ano to? Welcome to Paris. Oui. Bonjour. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Gift.
Hala, gusto ko matry!
Gagi, ang ganda! Ang effort. 100. I feel so sad for myself.
Nahiya yung halos.
Naawa ko sa sarili. Okay, so hi friends. It's currently 8:35 and I'm home na. Freaking long day. Hindi ko na ma-explain. We're done with the photo shoot. Nagpa-print pa kami for the deadline tomorrow. Tapos tomorrow I have a 7 AM class. Papasahan lang. So magpapacheck to uwi na agad. And then I just finished NSTP projects right now. Ngayon gagawa ako ng fig drop. Kasi need ko siyang tapusin para hindi na ako magsistress sa Thursday and Wednesday. Kasi I have a magazine plate that's deadline on Friday. Tapos meron din akong perspective na plate that's deadline on Friday. So medyo marami-rami siya. Hindi ko siya pwedeng i-push forward yung comics na plate kasi it's a big plate and hindi talaga kayang i-cram. Kasi meron din akong big plate sa Friday which is yung magazine na and then yung perspective na plate. Tapos wet medium pa yun. Tapos yung magazine digital and trad 12 pages. Tapos may 36 colored studies pa yun. Tapos hindi ko pa nagagawa. Tapos may written exam pa ako sa Wednesday, 2. Tapos sa Thursday, may marketing. Oh my God, yung marketing plan namin. yung marketing plan namin, ipapresent, magde-defense pa kami. Tapos sa umaga, pasahan ng comics. Tapos sa Saturday, meron din tayong isang poster ad na hindi ko pa na-check yung guidelines. But that's another plate to pass. So, very hectic. Things are very hectic. Legit in a verge of having a mental breakdown, but kaya natin to. This is art student first year final season. I'm a toothbrush. Thank you, Colgate. Pretty little baby. Yung attendance guys, 7:30. So, hindi natin bilisan ng masyado. At least natapos ako. Natapos ko na yung first page kagabi. So, tatapusin ko yung second page. Ngayon, maybe this morning, kasi since maaga lang naman kami matatapos sa school. Magpapacheck lang talaga, tas we out. We're gonna change the bandage for this one. Alam niyo guys, pagod na itong mga kamay ko. Ito kasi nasugat, kakagunting. Para ang liit-liit niya, pero feel ko magkakalagnat ako dahil nito. Tapos guys, gusto niyo pang malaman ano pang nangyari sa kamay ko. Yan niyo. Oh, huwag kayong magulat. Charot. Ayan oh. Ang laki niyan dati. Naging okay na siya ngayon. Wala na akong earrings kasi ayan na naman. May nangyari na naman. For some reason, nagkasugat yung dalawa. Yun nga, nagkasugat siya. Tapos, hindi ko na nalagyan ng ano ngayon. So yeah, wala muna tayong earrings for today's video. This plate is our finals plate. Actually, hindi dapat siya finals plate. And naging finals plate na siya kasi wala kaming oras. This is a poster ad for French Baker. French Baker, hire me.
What the hell? Brings to perfection, melts in your mouth.
Sino ang gumawa?
Ba't walang... Hindi naman. Navigation point notify.
Patingin na sa'yo. Go. Tingnan mo yung compre niya. Ang linis oh.
Ang ganda.
Parang print. Makakainis. Tas yung akin. Tayo'y nauwi na po. 9:30. It's 9:30 and then gagawa na ako ng plate agad. We got no time to lose. This is my plate, guys. What do you think? 95. Actually, kami lang yung pinagrade niya. Tapos kinilan ko yung sarili ko na 95. I completely forgot that I was vlogging. But, hi guys. So, did I vlog kanina? I think I vlogged in the morning. But I'm back home. I don't know if I vlogged the classroom, but I'm currently doing my comics plate. Don't look at it. But yeah, that's that. Time check, it's currently 2:30. I've been working since, kasi nakauwi ako ng mga like 9:30. Nagpasahan lang and then we were just checking. Actually, the thing is, oh yeah, I told you, sa elevator, like, it was our prof. I mean, it was us who graded our work. So, anyway. Dapat tinaasan ko pa. Anyway, so yun. But right now, I am currently just doing my plate this whole entire time. And then, hopefully I can finish this. No, I should finish this whole thing not today. Because tomorrow, I'm gonna work on my perspective plate and my typography plate. Because I cannot cram that. So I need to finish this one. And then I need to study for UTS and TO. We're gonna have an exam, so I think I'm gonna fail that, but that's okay. That's not okay. So yeah, but I need to finish this ASAP. So I've been locking in since kanina pa. So yeah, I'm currently watching Tastefully Yours, but yeah, I've been playing it in the background para makapag-focus ako. But so far, kalahati na ako ng page na to. So this is our comics plate. I really cannot wait to finish this plate. Like, as in guys, like sawang-sawa na ako sa plate na to. Like, please let this be over. So yeah, that's that. Also, sa 23, you know what? Yung 23 lang talaga yung motivation ko sa buhay lately. Kasi sa 23, gagala kami. Kasi last day na yan, so pasahan and all. We're gonna go to maybe SM North and then watch Final Destination. I'm not really fond of those stuff, pero sige na lang. So we're gonna make gala. Am I having fun with this plate? Definitely not. So yeah, out of all the subjects, I've really had fun with design and color, perspective, mechanical drawing. Oh yeah, let me show you my design and color. This is our plate. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm actually so proud of it. So this is our plate. This is an advertising poster for French Baker. I thought isa lang yung ipiprint out, dalawa pala. So I put a lot of effort in this one kasi this is the first one. I was like, okay, sige, isa lang naman yung ano. So todo-todohan ko na to. So this is the first. French Baker, hire me. Anyway, I love pastries. That's why I chose French Baker as my restaurant. Okay, and then this is the other one, which is I'm not really a big fan of. But overall, I'm very happy with my work. French Baker. Anyway, baka pangit sa mata nyo. Then huwag na kayo mag-comment kung pangit. Hi guys! So wala na talaga akong ibang nagawa kundi mag-aral at mag-plate. So I stopped doing my fig draw plate kanina mga 6. And then up until now, I've been studying for our exam tomorrow because we have 2 written exams tomorrow. That's Understanding the Self and POs. I'm still studying Understanding the Self since 6, and I've been studying since 6. It's 9 already. Ang dami niyang coverage. So that's what's happening right now. Time check. 9:30. I just finished taking notes. Yes guys, notes pa lang yan. Well, naaalala ko din naman talaga yung mga... when I take notes, that's when nasasaga po kung ano talaga yung content. So, I take a time, like an hour, 30 minutes to suck all the information. So, we're gonna start! Unit 3, Managing the Self. So, may terms tayo na kailangan natin. Ganun ako mag-study, guys. May kinakausap ako. So, not literally. Like, alam mo yung parang, they pretend to teach people. So, anyway. So, may dalawa tayong terms na we have to know. So, what is learning? Establishing performance demand is the translation of this concept. Learning is change. Performance is the translation. So, it's the brain of medical learning. So, special performance, we have to know this. Combo lately. 너뭔데 자꾸 생각나. I'm a biggest hit. I'm a biggest hit. I'm a biggest hit. Sometimes you gotta go back to your roots. Alam nyo, pag like kunwari stress ako ganito, I always start my day with music. So anyway, time check 6:40. We're gonna go to school. Hi guys, so hindi yung exam, mag-shake up lang. Walang review. Pwede isa mag-take ng pepper. Ayan na yung pepper. Ayan mo.
Hindi kailan yung vlog natin.
Ay! Anyway, uwi na kami! Oh. Natin ang pagkain namin lang. Dinner, potato corner. Sabi nagkakape yung pula. On the creamier side. Meron pa kami 4. And it's about 2 days. Okay, so hi guys. It's still the same day. So, all afternoon, I was just legit doing my plate. Like, legit all afternoon. Natapos na namin yung TO tsaka UTS na exam. My scores na, we don't talk about it. Basta tapos na yun. Legit, alam mo, nag-TIO exam kami na walang study. Kasi, there was a choice. You can take the exam 10 o'clock or 10:30. So, kung gusto mo pang mag-review, then 10:30. Eh, ayoko na mag-review. Gusto ko na patapos to. So, nag-take ako 10, and then ayun. Pumasa naman ako, but just in the line. Okay guys, good morning. It is Thursday, and we are on the way. I finished my plate now. We are on the way to school. And let's go. Actually, pasahan lang for the first subject, and then in the afternoon we have pag ako FO. Ano yan? Bak, sa'yo yan?
Kasi! Sino daw na ako sino yan?
Sino yan?
Sino yan?
Beautiful now. Hi to the vloggers. Sino yan? Ay! Yum, yum, yum! Matches! Deadline 11:30. Ay, matches. 2 na po. Ay, hanggang bukas ba? Sorry. Bakit? Kita ng physical? Need ng physical? Need ng physical? Need? Physical copy? Ba't nagpa-print? Need ng physical copy? Need ng... What?
Yung ibang college hanggang next week.
Oo nga eh.
Ha?
End of class. Ay, today is the years of class. Saan yung part na? Oh, ito sa...
Kasi yung puro Pinoy.
Kasi pinag-class. Alam mo yung nasa nung hierarchy ka? Yung edge to edge. Hindi na ako magka-craft.
Saan?
Next school year.
Wow! Parang sinabi mo yun sa first step.
Ago.
Okay, so hi guys. I am back home and dumating na yung parcel ko. And ano yung parcel ko? Thank you, TikTok Shop. Kasi pag sa Mercury Drug, 80 pesos. Eh pag sa TikTok, 50 lang. Tapos free shipping. Also, Fresh Philippines sent me something. I did not know. Oh my god, I used to use this, diba? This is so good. I have to rebuy it because it's so good. Yeah, the toner too. Hyaluronic, diba? They gave me a gua sha. Well, I haven't tried gua sha pa. Face and body mist. Okay, I like this one. I'll definitely be using this one. Fresh Philippines is the very first brand I worked with. Fun fact. We'll try it out tonight. Currently, it's 5:40. Dapat matapos ko na yung typog na digital by 7 para makapag-print na ako. Time check. T-skirt po. Time check 1 AM. Nice. Ang saya kaya. Ang saya. Nawala ko kaya ate. Sa akin, hindi ka na. Ate, kada po may ball. na lang pera ko. Amerikano ba yan? Pero matamis. Sure. As in, pag eto hindi. May Gcash po kayo. Gcash po. Oh my god, guys. This is the worst cram of my life. Nahinginig ako. Nakatulog ako. Nakatulog ako. I'm still doing this one. And then I have a plate that's at like 3 p.m. Hindi ko pa nasa-start. It's perspective plate. So I need to finish this ASAP. And I'm gonna start with the perspective plate. Holy shit. Gago talaga. Sabi na eh. Dapat hindi ako humika. Oh my god, that's what's up. Tolyo. Oh my god. I have to finish this by 10. I have to finish this by 10. And then I'm gonna fucking... Oh my god, guys. This is legit the worst. Oh my god. Oh my god talaga. Hindi ako naggaganito. Guys. I cannot work under pressure. I'm not a pressure cooker. Oh my god. Okay, focus. Okay, so I'm gonna go to school now. Time check 2:15. No, I cannot even expect. Kasi, okay, ganito nangyari. 5 a.m. I was like, okay, let's sleep for 1 hour. Tapos pagising ako, hindi, nalobat yung cellphone ko, kaya hindi nag-ring. Pagising ko, 9 na. So I was like, what the f***? Yung isang plate ko hindi pa tapos, tapos yung isang plate hindi pa simulan. Kaya tinapos ko yung plate, natapos ako ng 11:30. Tapos ginawa ko yung perspective na plate for like freaking 2 hours and now I'm gonna go and pass it. Legit, ang eme niya lang. Like, oh my god, guys, this is not me. Please don't judge. Pero okay lang. At least may mapasa ako and makapasa ako. Yung typography, yung magazine, something, hindi ko talaga bet yung outcome. Maganda siya sa digital, pero pag sa trad, ang pangit ang print. Tapos kasi kailangan may traditional trevor element. So, naging pangit na siya. Maganda sana pag digital, pero ayan, wala. Dami ng kalat niya na. Tapos yung perspective, oh my god, the render is not rendering. Girl, as in, alam mo yung panic attack ko talaga kanina. I was like, bakit kasi ako nagtulog? Ako kasi pag mag-frame, yung pinaka-late na sa akin is yung the night before. The night before or in the morning. Tapos na siya. Hey, friends. We're freaking done with the freshman. We're eating lunch. Na-clutch ko. Very legit kanina. 91. Sir. I love you, sir.
Guys,
Closing remarks now.
closing remarks na ako. Wala ako kanina eh. Kaya kasayawan ko na lang kayo.
Oh my God. Isasali ko talaga yun.
Guys, anong ganap na yung araw? Ano nangyari is please sponsor me. That's
Daming nangyayari.
the epilogue of the year.
Ay! Ay, gago. Uy, gago.
Ang galing mo design. Design yan, Lods. Shawarma.
Gagi! Nalagyan!
Pati guys, ganyang attitude si Dilor. Wow!
Oh my God. At kami ang magsasara ng biyato. Anong oras na? This is... Oh, what the heck? Sino yung nag-e-exam?
Ikaw, garlic.
Okay, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Creamy chili.
Agad ko na.
Creamy chili.
Ano yung sweet chili ba? Creamy.
Ako.
Hindi ko bet yung house.
1, 2, 3.
Ay. Ay, kinakabahan.
Hello?
Ano yun?
You want tutorial? 저렇게 하는 거 아니고요.
이렇게.
Oh!
이렇게.
Oh my god. We are Koreaning right now. 이렇게 빨리 해야 돼요. 빠르게. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Oh.
It's me. Like, yo. Don't you love my outfit? I'm back to my old self. Because finals are over. Meron pa akong plate. Papas ngayon. Hindi pa nagagawa. But like, madali lang yan. Like 1 or 2 hours na lang naman up. So we're gonna do that. I was just doing some errands. And then, yung sabi ko, we're gonna go to school. And then, gagala tayo.
Kikita niyo ba yan? Gagi, natakpan na lang ako. Oo, kasi, I cannot. Diyan siya nag-swatch sa plate. Diba? Kasi tinatapos ko yung isa kong plate. Tapos akala ko kasi, may ganito ako, diba? Tapos akala ko dito ko nalagay. Tapos pagtingin ko, ayoko na.
Kaya yan. Hey friends, it is officially the last day here in Uste for freshmen. At nagkakram pa rin kami ng plates. Cause why not? Diba? Sine ang nagkakram ng plates? Nagtutulungan na po ang ating mga kaibigan. Uy, cinematic. Kaya yan, ang linis ng Goa guys. So, nakakainis talaga.
Siyempre, si Jerome.
Yung dalawang batak nag-Avengers. Ito pa, isa pa. Paano yung search?
Search nyo lang Mount Fuji Easy Drawing Top 10 Best Drawing in the World. Magagawa nyo agad yung plate nyo, promise.
Why in the world ba? Beato Tour. So this is our gate. This is gate 6. Tapos if you go here, mayroon daanan yan. This is our building na. Tapos ito yung mga klase natin nagka-cram. Sa mga bagong freshmen nakapasa ng College of Fine Arts, this is your future. Ayan na. Wala na. Anong oras na? Yun na. Anong oras na?
Kulang. Where's Ransley?
Ransley, sana okay ka lang.
Ay, wait, may kulang. Si Ran.
Picture ni Ransley. Uuwi na siya, wala pang showing. Hindi pinayagan.
Kapag gusto ko ng 5K, mag-chat daw kay Abby.
Chelsea dump.
Dilord dump, hindi ako yung sino mo.
Oy, sino yan Pretending pretending. Pretending to
Dilord
be
dump na yan.
him. Ang dami mong fans, no?
Okay,
Pre, alis na.
Scam.
Tanya, Dego King.
Diba? At least makakapag-Espanya pa kayo. Iiyak ang isang Yappy B.
Good, I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too.
Nakakainis.
Iyak ganun.
Gift, yayakapin kita.
Uy, kako. Ang dami kong dala. Holy shit, is it starting? I know it's not. This is us before. Gago, nakakatakot ba to?
Hindi yan nakakatakot, nakagulat.
I'm gonna kill myself. Wait, where are we seated?
Anong meron?
Final destination rating. This is us after inantok ko.
May kita ko lagi pa mga best friend ko.
6. Same din, 6. Cabs lang. 390. 1 hour 49 minutes ako. Short
Mas okay pa yung smile. Kung alam mo yung smile. Mas maganda pa.
rating.
Mga si Eden.
Rating. Guys, nasusuka ako. Wait, ikaw ilan? 6. So short. Pero mahirap din production na if you think about it. Pero still.
Edit ka.
Pero, oo, gagi. Feel ko yung first scene pa lang.
First scene, kitang-kita mo yung
Yung CGI.
Saan?
Doon, kitang-kita mo.
Saan?
Yun lang.
Saan dun?
Wala, kitang-kita. Masarap
Obvious
kami,
yung
diba?
CGI.
Obvious na obvious. Like, as
We're still improving in the film industry, you know. Oo, diba? Yun yung iniisip ko kayo na. Feel ko, 1 year yung scene na yun.
Matagal yung per scene siguro mga 5 months.
Anyway, uwi na kami kasi inaantok na ako. Like, you can see into the
time
bones.
check.
Time check. Oh my God, 12:30. Guys, oh my God. Girl, nasa QC kami.
baka mahulog kami sa elevator.
naman.
Tapos may naiwan pala akong piso sa...
Nakakainis to sila. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, I said it. Ang daming pwede mangyari.
Hindi.
Wait, where's the exit? Wag mahihi. Oh, there's a bridge there. Huy, hala ka. That's a bit scary. Wala tayo sa biyato, ha? O, layo dyan sa railing. Happy, halika dito. Naks naman. That's it for freshman year.
CDS, ang resulta, super effective ang shield.
We made it out alive. See you next year. Oh my god, I'm actually scared.
This one is rated R16. It may contain themes